YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to Blake Went Finance. Go ahead, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into this video. We got Ben Mallah, how not to spend $1 million. If you don't know, I'm a big fan of him. I like all this dude's videos, so let's get it, man. You already know. First start of the video is pulling up in that Rolls Royce with that bloody guts, red interior.
We're at a property that's going up for auction. You know what that means? Highest bidder gets the deal, and you only got 30 days to pay for it. I know this area like the back of my hand. There's all kinds of empty stuff right down the block. It's sitting there empty. I don't know. Can we buy it? Can we fix it? And can we rent it? That's what it's all about. That's what we do. Or at least that's what Ben Jr. is going to do. I'm just going to sit around and say, all right, let's buy it. Ben Jr., handle it.
And then he'll just yell at me every week until it's done.
I bet your money it needs a new roof. It needs a new parking lot. Ooh. It needs landscaping. It needs everything.
I feel low class.
Look at that. Holy shit. Look what he's driving.
Is that Ben?
Look at
that Ben's
baby.
black son?
You know, driving around with some class.
Yeah.
Look at that. Here come Tiger Woods, y'all.
Tiger Woods. Yeah, I called it. It always said, shoot, I miss it. It's like Ben's black son.
I'll park this Maserati next to the Rolls Royce parking. Get this shit out of here.
Two Royces and a Ratty.
You got that Rolls Royce.
I had to trade my Rolls Royce in for the Maserati because the tranny started going out on it. We started having problems.
Never should have bought it from a cuckoo out in who knows.
Bought it from a pimp out of
Opalaka pimp.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh shoot, his Rolls Royce went bad.
My Rolls Royce is bigger than yours.
Holy crap, it is. Is that a freaking, what was that?
Little guy.
I had one of these, but I had the convertible drop dead coupe.
Badass.
Dude, that's a big John. I think this is like a Dawn or something. You got that big ass Rolls Royce. Damn.
Yeah,
that thing
I
big
see
as
myself
hell.
in one of these one day.
He sees himself in everything.
Hey, you let me borrow the
everything but the gym.
Look, there's a place across the
Everything
street.
but the gym.
Bad cock.
That's where you came from.
I know, and that's what. This is what happens when you got a bad cock. This is what happens. You produce.
He got bipolar cock. It produced 2 different colors. Telling you, you guys are making me feel low class.
What's Vincent's brilliant idea for this property?
Do you know the biggest restaurant guy in the Tri-County area, Frank Chevis? Frank would put fucking decking all out here, have people sitting out here on the water.
Waterfront dining overlooking the trailers. Yeah, that's fabulous.
But the build out for a restaurant would probably kill you.
They're pretty nice trailers.
Just an idea.
This is not what you call ideal waterfront. Key to
Ideal
retail
waterfront.
is
Renting
fill
it.
in the space. Can you fill it?
All right, I'm gonna tell you right now, the spaces over here in this area go from $12 a foot up to $20 a foot. Look where they moved, baby. 1511 North Missouri Avenue, Ross and TJ Maxx Plaza, owned and managed by Equity Management, baby. We made this place vacant. We made this place go to auction. We stole their tenant because I had 13,000 square feet. They only had 8,000 square
they
feet.
moved
So now
to-
they wanted more space.
Oh,
so we
shoot.
said, sure, come on over. But Dad, I can cut this building down and make it a drive-through.
Oh shit, good.
If I cut the back of this building off and this side of this building off, I can make it a drive-through.
Thumbs down on that idea.
Why? If
You
I
got
get
water back there.
time out.
You're gonna chop off a building.
Yep. If I get $60 a square foot compared to your $20 a square
You're not getting
foot.
60 as neighbor. I don't care
Okay,
if it's McDonald's.
45, 50. Drive-through will get you $50 a square foot. 45 right now, Dad.
That's a big building.
Smells like mold in here.
I told you the roof's leaking. Look up in there.
Smells like mold in here, and the AC works.
You can make it a boxing gym.
Yeah.
You're
Please,
boxing.
I don't want to hear about no fucking boxing after what you put me through.
My policy is you keep my name out your mouth, I'm gonna keep my foot out your ass.
The question is, if we just clean it
What
up,
was that?
can we find a business that's willing to give us $100 grand a year with the taxes, insurance, and all that shit?
Holy shit, this is a big warehouse.
I'm telling you, golf carts.
Can we take that door? I need that door.
I need that there.
You guys are taking stuff from the auction?
Look, it comes with fancy toilet paper holders, gold trim on a wood toilet paper holder. Point is, nobody wants to step up to the plate and become a retail leasing agent in a company. We need a retail leasing agent in a company. Forget the apartments, we're not in them. Forget the hotels, we don't run them. All right, we gotta focus on the retail leasing. That's what we should be spending all our time on. Making connections, find out who needs space, marketing. That's what we got to do. The only way you're gonna make money. This could be the new Ben Entertainment Network, just like Bet David. He does banks, I do old rent-a-furniture stores. There goes our studios, Junior show, the Vincent show, we'll even give Aaron a show. It was on the market for 1.4 million. Right now, where's the bid at? 450. They're $1 million out of where they wanted to be. They had it on the market for 1.4, that means they probably would have took $1 million quick cash deal. They're looking for $1 million bucks on this joint. Are we willing to pay $1 million? I don't think so.
No,
Are we willing to pay 5? Yeah, we take a risk for 5. 6, maybe. I don't know.
Thing, I can cut that away and the building's still strong because the way this is built, it's not built with the walls holding the building up. It's built with the pillars holding the roof up.
You know, one question I have for you.
Yes, sir.
What the hell's holding you up? Hey, you do look skinny. You're looking good. You're looking great. He's wearing a good shirt now like I wear. He's
This is
looking
like I
sweaty.
wear.
He's ready, baby.
It's a 3X.
A 3? Oh, my goodness.
I was in 4s for a
He
while.
was in 4s.
Yeah, he's skinnier
Now I'm
now
in threes
too.
again.
This is like a
Very
year
good.
old.
I'm down to 2.
I got all my, that is not a 2. You are such a lie. Give me that. That's a 3. You're wearing a, that's a tall though. You're
That's
taller.
good. I'm taller
Same
than you.
3X and you still got room in it.
Look at that. I got plenty of room. I
You're
can move
looking
a
good.
family in there.
You're good. You're looking good.
I can push that
Push
button
it.
right now
Push
and
it.
spin the milk. I'll kill you.
Push the goddamn
I'll kill you. You all saw a private chef cook us dinner in my last video. How do you think we're able to afford that? Investments, baby. And speaking of investments, allow me to introduce you to one of mine. Masterworks. So pardon me if I sound like a broken record, but we're still
We'll
looking
skip-
at
we'll
about
skip this
6% global inflation next year. Story is looking mighty thin, like me. We know we can spend to
Mighty
the place
thin.
up. All right, we can do that. The point is that it's a skinny deal. We're used to making millions, and now we're doing hundreds. The point is, I don't know. We're not that strong in leasing. You know, it'd be different if we said, oh yeah, we know a tenant we could throw in there right away. It'd be a slam dunk. That's what developers do. They already got a tenant before they even build. You know, it's risky. And then you can't see the fucking place from coming from one direction. I don't know. I think we could get stuck with that damn place and be screwed. And normally short, small spaces are easy to rent. So there's definitely availability around there for rent.
20,000 square feet?
7
Coming
spaces
up?
available here.
Oh my God. Missouri's just not a strong street. $500,000, fine. But now we go up to 7. With closing costs, it's gonna be 8. With fix up, it's gonna be $1 million. And then we still sitting there with an empty building. Then we get a tenant comes in, we're gonna have to split the space and build walls and split ACs and split power. Another couple of $100,000 easy. And when you sell for $1.7 million or $8 million, you got big commissions and closing on that. So take off another $150,000, $200,000 off of that. So now we're down to $1.5 million. So, you know, there's no profit. I don't see any upside in this deal at that price now. I'm sorry.
My prediction is $1.2 million.
$1 million.
$1,050,000.
And if you ever come across an auction you want to participate in, go to benmal.com/shop and consult with Ben, and we'll go over the deal so you don't overpay. Down to 1 minute, baby. 1 minute. Press
they-
the button and spend
Push
$1
the
million
button.
Are they in there?
bucks.
Push it.
I can push that
Push
button
it.
right now
Push
and
it.
spin the milk. I'll kill
Push
you.
it. Push the goddamn
I'll kill you. He'll do it too. He'll do it and say, oh shit.
I'll go there every day. I'll make it up. I'll get you your $1 million back. Don't worry.
$950, there it is, baby. Next bid is $1 million. 3 minutes left. You want to know what the big question for today is? What are you going to take your poor old father for lunch?
You're not poor.
I
You're
am
not
old.
that old.
I'm
You're
old,
not old.
and I am poor.
You're not old.
You want to see our cash flow? If you compare our cash flow to the flow of water, our pipes are stopped up. How come nobody wants to believe me that we're broke right now? I mean, in my world, we're broke because we got no money flowing. Do we have some money put away? Yeah. Are we gonna let it bleed us to death? I hope not. Interest rates are triple. I'm stupid and I fucked up. I admit it. I ruined your inheritance.
I wasn't expecting that anyway.
Well, then that's good for you, but everybody else is. Up, they lowered the bids increment to 25,000. Auction ended. Now, if we do come across a deal, we have this as a real life comparison
Yeah, they
to
don't
go
like
to.
it.
If we see a shitty lot for sale or something or a building, now we know, hey, we could always auction it off for $1 million if it's an acre of land on Missouri. That's what the market is. We're knowing the market by doing this.
It's your homework, right?
Homework, and we're in home. Now, there's one thing you know I know how to do, and that's eat. And now
Oh,
I
shoot,
get to
we got
eat
another
and
ad?
I get stoned at the same time. I call my friend Frank,
All
and
right.
we got the
I think
crabs
that's
on.
it. That's the end, boys. That's interesting that he didn't end up buying that. A lot of the videos he makes are only when he does buy properties, but I find it was pretty interesting and pretty worth knowing, like a property that he wouldn't buy, right? So not one of the videos on will he spend how many millions. No, he didn't buy a property for $1 million, and it's very real. $500 million net worth of his real estate investments, and he didn't buy a property for $1 million. So pretty crazy. Guys, go ahead, like and subscribe. Blake went signing out. Peace.